I decided to use this kind of biscuits and candies. I use jelly for the plant and animal cell cytoplasm. So these are the other parts of the cells. In plant cells, we have the cell wall, cell membrane, nucleus, vacuole, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, chloroplast, and the ribosomes. Then, in the animal cell, we have the cell membrane, nucleus, vacuole, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, and the ribosomes. The cell wall, the rigid outermost layer of the plant cell, shapes, protects, and supports the cell. Plant cells only have a cell wall. The cell membrane, which controls what moves in and out of the cell. It takes in food, gases, and removes wastes. Outermost layer of an animal cell and inside the cell wall of plant cells. Both plants and animal cells have cell membrane. The nucleus, which controls center for cell activities, contains genetic information in chromosomes of the DNA that determine which traits are passed to offspring. Both plants and animal cells have the nucleus. The vacuole, which stores water, waste, and other materials. It helps provide the shapes and structure in plant cells. Both plant and animal cells have the vacuole. Endoplasmic reticulum or the ER can either be smooth or rough. Its function is to produce proteins for the rest of the cell to function. The mitochondria provides energy for the cell and the powerhouse of the cell, site of cellular respiration, which releases energy by breaking the chemical bonds of the food. Both plants and animal cells have mitochondria. The chloroplast contains chlorophyll, a green pigment that traps sunlight, site of photosynthesis. Plant cells only have the chloroplast. The Golgi apparatus, which is manufacturing, storing, packing, and transporting the particles through the cell. Both plants and animals have the Golgi apparatus. The ribosomes, the smallest membrane-bound organelles, and comprise RNA and protein. Both animals and plant cells have the ribosomes. The cytoplasm, clear thick jelly-like fluid between inside the cell membrane, contains and supports the organelles. Both plants and animal cells have the cytoplasm. The difference between the plant cell and the animal cell is that animal cell does not have the cell wall and no chloroplast.